This Art of the Possible video series has been put together by the United States Bankruptcy Court of the Central District of California to demonstrate how to prepare and circulate exhibits and utilize Zoom for Government, or Zoom Gov, to present paper-based and electronic evidence at the discretion of the judge. Virtual court matters may require exhibits to be presented live and annotated in real time. This may include evidentiary hearings, adversary proceedings, or other matters. In this video, you will see how to use the annotation tools in Zoom Gov to electronically mark up or highlight an exhibit that is being shared by the share screen function.
When a screen is being shared, the presenter or viewer, such as a witness, can open and access the annotation tools such as a highlighter, pen, spotlight, arrows, and even add text to the screen. For the presenter, the annotate option will be available on the Zoom toolbar, usually on the top of the screen. And this bar here is the annotation bar. Please note, if someone other than the presenter requires to use annotation, the tool can be found in their View Options drop-down dialog box. For the purposes of this demo, we'll stay within the presenter's view since it is a more common occurrence. The text tool allows for comments to be entered via a text box. If you want to change the text size and color, simply select those options under Format prior to typing. The Draw tool allows for the overlaying of lines, arrows, and shapes. Utilizing this tool can bring attention to a word, sentence, paragraph, or any area of your screen you prefer. The Select tool allows for the annotations to be moved around your screen or resized. Sometimes just a small portion of an annotation requires deletion. To selectively delete annotation, click on the Erase tool and then click and hold to remove the annotation. From time to time, you may want to undo an annotation you just made. For that, utilize the Undo tool and the last annotation action will be reversed. In this case, we actually did intend to delete the word important, so I'll use Redo to undo the last annotation action. One useful annotation tool we haven't touched on is the Spotlight tool. Let's see how the Spotlight tool and annotation in general can be used while presenting through Zoom Gov. While annotating on a document, please notice that if you scroll down, the annotation does not move according to the section that you've highlighted or marked with arrows. The only thing that follows is Spotlight. Spotlight can move with the document itself. However, if you need to spotlight another section of a different page, you will have to use the Spotlight tool once again. To completely remove all annotations on the screen, click on Clear and then click on the mouse tool. Those two used in combination will get you in the habit of removing all electronic markups before moving on to another section of the exhibit. The credit agreement was formalized on August 3, 2011. Of importance in this contract is a demand by lender, which states, "This is a demand loan agreement under which borrower is required to pay back in the full the entire outstanding loan balance within 15 days of receiving a written demand from lender or full repayment of the loan balance." The credit agreement references a G. Smith instead of utilizing the borrower's complete name, but the signature on page 2 of this contract has been confirmed to be that of Greg Smith. Next, we will demonstrate how another participant, in this case a witness named Jane Tucker, can annotate a document during a hearing. Ms. Tucker, can you please confirm you witnessed the borrower signing the credit agreement?
Yes. My signature is on page 2 of the credit agreement where it says lenders. And I witnessed Greg Smith sign the document on page 2 of the credit agreement where it says borrowers.
As you just saw, you can use the annotation tools in ZoomGov to mark up a shared document or whiteboard. These tools will either be under the Annotate option or the View option menu, depending on whether you're the presenter or a viewer. And some tools are only available to the presenter. Look for other videos in this Art of the Possible series to assist with successful virtual courtroom exhibit presentations.